Hello students, today we are going to understand about the introduction to EMI. EMI can be called as electromagnetic induction. So in this chapter we are just going to understand that how current, or we can say that EMF, which is called as electromotive force, can be generated using the magnetic field. So basically we are just going to understand that how using the magnetic field we can produce the EMF or the current into a conductor. So basically beta, we must understand some things before we start with the chapter. So number one thing is flux. As we have already understood about the electric flux, today I am going to tell you about the magnetic flux. So magnetic flux is just the number of magnetic field lines passing through a area which must be a unit area normally means 90 degree. But in simple words we can understand that suppose that there is a area in which magnetic field lines are coming like this, and we just have a normal associated to the surface like this. So the angle between these two is taken to be theta. So basically if we take phi is equal to b vector dot a vector, then phi will be equal to the magnetic flux B will be taken as magnetic field and A be taken as area under consideration. And now phi can also be written as BA cos theta, where theta is the angle between magnetic field lines and area vector. Okay, so here this is called as flux. So now units of the flux can be written as B into A. So B is having the units Tesla and A is having the units meter square. So Tesla meter squares are the SI units of flux, magnetic flux, or Webers. Webers are taken to be the units of magnetic flux. So beta, this is all for today's lecture. I hope you have understood about electric flux, and tomorrow we will continue again. So